Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll until you will find the section with the passwords and accounts right here. Of course, here we've got Google section, however you can add your Google account also by using this section. So let me tap on it, and as you can see we've got the account which I've previously added to this device. So first of all we can remove it. In order to remove the account we have to tap on it and simply tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, tap on OK, and as you can see you will have to confirm it with your pattern, for example, or PIN. And right now we can add new one, so just tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Oh, hello. Okay, let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.